Hi, I'm Michelangelo Verdelli, architect and product manager of Luce 5. Luce 5, since 1991, has been developing, engineering, manufacturing and installing bespoke lighting solutions. At Luce 5, we focus on innovation as the goal of our projects that, combined with technology, design and maximum optimization of energy efficiency, helps provide customized lighting solutions. And when we work on our project, we never forget to have the minor possible impact on the environment. We have made large investments to bring and manage in-house all the processes capable of guaranteeing the customer a truly personalized, fast and flexible service. Like the Middle East means to us the chance to meet again after 2 years, an international public to whom address the result of our work and innovation in terms of technologies applied to the light and a new light concept applied to the world of furniture. We are bringing to Dubai our last creation, such our special showcases made with our thickness technologies and a dedicated selections of standard and custom products. The expectation in regards to this event is above all to be able to reach out a public of architects, designers, contractors and users with whom we can share our company philosophy, products and new innovative projects we are already working on.